So I will kindly ask you to get me these pictures
I'll
of those companies with visuals. And you have the phone with you.
Yes, I have.
You can do the descriptions. You can just get them from ChatGPT, and we're gonna put them in the PowerPoint.
I was quite mad because I was selected in the top 10. And I said, you know, Peter, I'm just going home. I have a lot of shit to do. Like, no, come, I want you. I want the guy who's smarter than me. I was like, Peter, please, like, legitimately, please. I said, no, I want you. You're smart. Do something. I said, I need to go home and work so that I can relieve my stress. Then come work. I'll give you work. I said, okay.
I will need to do most of the work alone because I know my project, and I just needed people who are very good and skillful with computers, with internet. They have high intellect, and I think those two guys have it, and whatever I asked them to deliver me, they delivered me in a few seconds.